What's up, y'all? Paddlejack is back, and another how-to, of course. This one is for a tentacle, like an octopus and tentacle, or a squid. I actually don't know if squid and octopus have the same tentacle. If you're like, glass tentacle, what does that look like? Check it out. Look for yourself. So I make these little recyclers, and I just sort of came across how to make the suction cup. So once you got the suction cup thing down, it's pretty much just gathering up glass, pulling it down to a taper. Up to you to form it however you please. I'm gonna wait till it gets dark, because your boy does not work here in the digs. It's hot as fuck in Florida. I'm gonna GoPro it up and then get you a little new technique in your belt, because it's super easy, but it's cool. Like, I don't know, it's cool. You got like a normal recycler, but then you add some tentacles to it. Takes your glass to a whole nother level. And you can do other lots of cool shit with it too. You can even make a fucking actual octopus out of it, because you got the tentacles. Up to you to make a head, or whatever the hell you call that fucking thing they have. Anyways, fucking enough pandering. Let's go outside and start the shit. Alrighty, so we're in business. Put your didymiums on. And for this one, I'm using parallax. It's a CFL color. It's purple in this lighting and then gray in others. Alright, so to begin it, you're gonna punny up. And you wanna use a thick punny. I only had fucking 4 mil for this laying around, so punny up. Then create a Maria a little bit close to that, and make sure you get it nice and thick. And you just kind of keep doing that. You just get a Maria and keep getting it all up like a big gather. It's more of a gather, not a Maria, but you keep gathering. Fucking just hauling ass gathering. Alright, now towards the end, you see how it's getting really thick? Now this part, it's kind of tapered. The right side's thick, the left side isn't. So I'm drilling heat towards the left side because I want that to be hotter, the pool. So I create like a knuckle on the right. So letting gravity, and this is really soupy. Slowly pull it. It's a little fat there, so get heat there. Get that nice taper. I'm pretty positive this is what a tentacle looks like. Not too sure. It's kind of like the same shape all the way through, and then a little point at the end. So boom, you get that, make a nice little tip. See that? It's like pretty much like making a dabber. That's why making dabbers is a good practice if you're beginning, because shit like this comes really easily. Just because you've been, I don't know, you know the motion of making a dabber, so you can pull a tentacle easier than you thought. Alright, the add dots, I'm gonna use secret white, and you just do that. It's like adding a lens to a bowl. You just add a dot, but you don't want to get it too hot. You want to create like a little acute angle, because when you push it with the tungsten tip rod, you'll see it creates like a better suction cup versus when you melt it in all the way. But get past this shit. Just keep doing your dots. You can even bridge up too if you want, but I just playing a risky game here, not bridging up. But anyways, just keep doing your dots. And you can do any pattern you want. I just do side to side and like a little zigzag thing. There you go. See, it's like doing a dot stack. Like a little lens, but they're not melted in yet. Now, get your tungsten pick. This is your weapon of choice for this. And the whole time I'm keeping this thing hot because it wants to crack because those lines or those dots aren't in all the way. Alright, so heat just the very tip of that fucking thing. Don't heat the whole body of it. Just the very like little nipple of it. And then boop. You see that? That's how you do it. So you just get it really hot, the very tip of it, and then you poke the center of it. And then when you poke it, it creates like it creates that suction cup look. It's weird because when you poke it with the tungsten pick, like the glass wants to push out. I don't know, it's weird. It just makes like a perfect donut for you. It's easy. What I'm trying to get is it's easier than it's easy. It's easy. It's good for beginners, good for OGs. People like me who are just kind of learning too, but still a beginner. Alright, so you just keep poking along. And in the middle, it's gonna get kind of bendy, so I'm being real careful not to let it like curve on me. See right there, like, and I lay it down on the marver. And also that helps because I'm a shaky Pete with my hands. So we're doing the same fucking thing over and over. Doing 8 of these is a fucking pain because I just hate doing things over and over like this. But it's fun. It's rewarding in the end. Alright, keep working up. Almost there. And bing. Alright, last one. And then you're on to the shaping of it, like the forming of the tentacle. See, things get real weird right there. Go back in for a second try. Don't heat it. Don't get it too hot to where it melts in all the way, though. Otherwise, it won't look like a suction cup. And it's a little shit view. Hold on, I'm gonna get a better one in a second here. There you go. That pretty parallax color of purple, and then the bluish white haze of secret white. It's a good little pairing. And now you're gonna shape it so we punny up again to your little end of it. Make sure it's a, I don't know, just punny up. Alright, now to the bending process, I work at the root of the tentacle, the little ball sack part. But first get the whole thing hot. You can do this however you want to bend shit too. I'm still learning, I'm super noob to this. Like I just started learning this technique last week. Now I'm gonna get the base, the knuckle. Just drilling heat into that knuckle also, as everything else is really soupy, but the knuckle I want to get, that's what I want to form first, is that initial little arc. And there you go, wait for the perfect heat and then you just pull back. And when I always think of a tentacle, or like an octopus thing, I always think of it bending back. So I do like a little back thing, a little back bender. Do the middle, and then kind of do the tip how you want it. A little tip Harrison. And kind of tapering it too also while it's hot. You can do that also. Bang. Keep that out. Another shitty little angle at this. Oh, I'll get a better one for you. 1 second. Check that out. It's got some more character to it now that it's bent. Put my hand up behind it for no fucking reason. Now, you're gonna switch sides. Almost at access. You're gonna switch sides. So get your punny again. Be careful with this one. You want to be a nice, like, very small attachment, because you don't want to ruin that tip. And just twisty that baby off. And here I didn't do it, but you can also use the flame to get a nice like bend just using gravity. Like if I would have got flame more in the middle of it, it could have slumped more and looked more, just to give it more character. But here I'm going to give it a nice flat part, because when you attach these to the glass, if it's flat, you can, it just attaches to the glass better. It looks more like seamless versus a big round one. You get those weird like curves. If it's flat like that, you kind of looks like it's coming right out of the glass. Look at that, baby. You got a fucking tenty. Ba bang ba pa. There you go, dude. And we're back. There you go. Fucking quick demo for you. You can go now, make your pipes and your bongs and tentacle them all up. And here's the little tentacle. I don't have the CFL in here, so it's like the gray color. There you go. A little tentacle. You can make little dabbers with it. Put them on a pipe, like so. Boop. Oh, and also I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. It's like my whole goal with this shit, and I need your help. So if you want to see more and you want to make me happy, you can give me the 1K subs. Tell everyone you know, tell your mother, tell your grandma, tell your kids, and let's get shit popping, dude. Next one is gonna be possibly an egg, not sure. Thank you for watching, comment, like, subscribe. Peace.